Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 7th class maths quadrilaterals. Now in the previous class, I have taught you about sum of the angles of a quadrilateral, that is 360 degrees I taught. Now let me teach example 1. What is this? The three angles. The three angles of a quadrilateral are 55 degrees, 65 degrees and 105 degrees. What is the fourth angle? What is the fourth angle? This is the question. Let us consider that let the fourth angle is equal to x degrees. According to problem, 55 degrees plus 65 degrees plus 105 degrees plus x degrees is equal to 360. Sum of the quadrilaterals angles is 360. So when you add this 105, 65, 55, 15, 12, 2. 225 plus x degrees is 360 degrees. So what is x degrees? 360 degrees minus 225 degrees. So from 360, if you subtract 225, how much you are getting? 5 here, 3 here, 35 degrees. Therefore, the fourth angle is equal to 35 degrees. This is a 10 minus 5, 5, 5 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1, children, sorry, 135 degrees. 360 degrees, minus 225 is 135 degrees is the answer for example 1. Now, in example 2, in a quadrilateral, I am writing QL, children. In a quadrilateral, two angles are 80 degrees and 120 degrees. The remaining angles are equal. The remaining angles are equal. What is the measure of each angle? What is the measure of each angle? This is the question, children. That means, let us suppose that angle 1 is equal to 80 degrees, angle 2 is equal to 120 degrees, and according to problem, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So let angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to x degrees. That means what, children? We know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 360 degrees. Angle 1 is 80 degrees plus angle 2 is 120 degrees plus x degrees is 360 degrees. That means 120 plus 80, 200 degrees plus 2x degrees is 360 degrees. So what is 2x degrees? 360 degrees minus 200 degrees. So from 300, if you subtract 200, 360, 200, if you subtract, what are you getting? 2x degrees is 160 degrees. So what is x degrees? 160 degrees by 2, 80. So x is nothing but 80 degrees. Therefore, each equal angle measure is equal to 80 degrees. This is the answer, children. See, what is that they have given? Example 1, three angles of a quadrilateral are 55, 65, 105. What is the fourth angle? So we are considering fourth angle as x degrees. According to the problem, these three, 55 plus 65 plus 105 plus x is 360. This is 225. If you add all this, 225 plus x degrees is 360. X is what? 360 minus 225, 135 degrees, children. It is 135 degrees is the answer. Already down I have written 135 degrees is the answer for this problem, children. Example 2. In a quadrilateral, two angles are 80 degrees, 120 degrees. Remaining angles are equal. What is their measure? So first angle, let us take 80 degrees. Second angle, 120 degrees. According to the problem, third angle is equal to fourth angle. Let us suppose that third angle is equal to fourth angle is x degrees. That means we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus. Now the next example, children. The next example is the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 5 is to 6. Find the angles. So that means angle 1 is to angle 2 is to angle 3 is to angle 4 is equal to 3 is to 4 is to 5 is to 6. So let angle 1 is 3x, angle 2 is 4x, angle 3 is 5x, angle 4 is 6x. We know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 360 degrees. That is 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x is 360 degrees. That means 3, 4, or 6, 4, 10, 15, 18. 18x is 360. What is x? 360 by 18. 18 twos are 0. Therefore, x is equal to 20. Since we got x is equal to 20, what is angle 1? Angle 1 is equal to 3x. 3 into 20, 60 degrees. Angle 2 is 4x. 4 into 20, 80 degrees. Angle 3 is equal to 5x. 5 into 20, 100 degrees. Angle 4 is equal to 6x. 6 into 20, 120 degrees. So these are the measures of all the four angles, children. So the ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. Angle 1 is to angle 2 is to angle 3 is to angle 4 is equal to, you have got 3 is to 4 is to 5 is to 6. That means angle 1 is 3x, angle 2 is 4x, angle 3 is 5x, angle 4 is 6x. So sum of all the angles is 360. 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x is 360. If you add 18x is equal to 360 and x is equal to 20. So angle 1 is 3x, 3 into 20, 60 degrees. Angle 2 is 4x, 4 into 20 is 80 degrees. Angle 3 is equal to 5x, 5 into 20 is 100 degrees. Angle 4 is 6x, 6 into 20 is 120 degrees, children. Please note it. Example 4. Now exercise First exercise, children. The first problem is in quadrilateral PQRS. This is PQRS. First question is name all the sides. What are the sides, children, here? PQ, QR, RS, and SP. These are the sides. Next, angles. Angles are angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S. Next, vertices. P, Q, R, yes, sorry. Now diagonals. Diagonals, PR is one diagonal, SQ is one diagonal. PR and SQ. So this is the first bit, children. Now you have second bit. Second bit. Also name all the pairs of first one adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. So what are adjacent sides, children? The adjacent sides are PQ, QR. This is one adjacent side, and QR, RS is another pair of adjacent sides. RS, SP is another adjacent sides. SP, PQ. So these all are adjacent sides. Next, second one is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Angle P, angle Q is one adjacent angle. Angle Q, angle R is another adjacent angles. Angle R, angle S is another pair of adjacent angles. Angle S, angle P is another pair of adjacent angles. Next, third bit is adjacent angles opposite sides. Now you need to write opposite sides. What are opposite sides? Opposite sides for PQ, opposite is RS, PQ, RS, and for QR, SP, QR, SP. These are opposite sides. Next, we need opposite angles. Opposite angles. So, what are opposite angles? Angle P, angle R, and angle Q, angle S. These are opposite angles. So, this is what the problem, children. Once again, they have given a quadrilateral PQRS. In this, you have to name all the sides PQ, QR, RS, SP. They are the sides. Angles, angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S. Vertices P, Q, R, S. Diagonals, PR is one diagonal, QS is one diagonal, or SQ. Then name all the pairs of adjacent side. Adjacent side, immediate name PQ and QR. Adjacent side, QR and RS is another adjacent side, RS, SP is another adjacent side, SP, PQ another adjacent side. Adjacent angles, PQ is one adjacent angles, angle P, angle Q, angle Q, angle R, angle R, angle S, angle S, angle P. Now opposite sides, PQ and RS is one pair, and QR and PS is another pair. Opposite angles, angle P, angle R, angle Q, angle S. So I hope I am clear, children. Please note it down. Now here the three angles of a quadrilateral are 60, 80, 120. Find the fourth angle. That means 60 degrees plus 80 degrees plus 120 degrees plus x degrees is 360 degrees. So this is 120 and 80, 200, 260 degrees. Plus x degrees is 360 degrees. So what is x degrees? 360 degrees minus 260 degrees. That is 100. Therefore, x is equal to 100 degrees. That means fourth angle is equal to 100 degrees. This is the answer, children. So four angles, out of four angles, three angles they have given. Fourth angle means sum of four angles is 360. So 60, 80, 120 plus x. 60 plus 80 plus 120 plus x is 360. This are, if you add 120, 80, 200, 260 plus x is 360. X is equal to 360 minus 260, that is 100. So fourth angle is equal to 100 degrees. Please note it down, children. Second problem. Now third problem. The angles of a quadrilateral are 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 6. Find the other. Actually in the book it is given that find the measure of each of the four angles. I just try to find their measure. So we know that angle 1 is to angle 2 is to angle 3 is to angle 4 is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 6. This means what? Let angle 1 is equal to 2x, angle 2 is equal to 3x, angle 3 is equal to 4x, angle 4 is equal to 6x. We know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degrees. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 6x is equal to 360 degrees. 6 for 10, 5, 15. 15x is equal to 360 degrees. So what is x? 360 by 15. 3 5s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are 0. 5 2s are, 5 4s are 24. So x is equal to 24. So if x is equal to 24, what is angle 1? Angle 1 is 2x. 2 into 24. That is 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 48 degrees. Angle 2 is equal to 3x. 3 into 24. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 1, 7. 72 degrees. Angle 3 is equal to 4x. 4 into 24. 4 4s are 16, 96 degrees. Angle 4 is equal to 6x. 6 into 24. 6 4s are 24, 12 to 14, 140, 144 degrees. This is the answer in this problem, children. So they have given the four angles in ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4 is to 5, 6. So angle 1 is 2x, angle 2 is 3x, angle 3 is 4x, angle 4 is 6x. Sum of the angles is 360. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 6x is 360. 15x is 360, x is 24. So angle 1 is 2x, no? 2 into 24, 48 degrees. Angle 2 is 3x, 3 into 24, 72 degrees. Angle 3 is 4x, 4 into 24, 96 degrees. Angle 4 is 6x, 6 into 24, 144 degrees. So, this is the answer for third problem, children. Please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my topic today. In the next class, I will be doing next part.